Hi, this is Coach Steve. If you receive this video, consider as a personal invite to my upcoming Communication Mastery Workshop on Thursday, October 12th. I believe this event will transform the way you connect with those you work with, manage, and lead. Whether you've been a seasoned professional for a while or just starting out as a new leader, this event is designed to help you enhance your communication skills and unlock your full potential. This 4-hour event will be held down at the Marriott Jacksonville Downtown, so we get the opportunity to learn, network, and grow amongst other leaders in the Northeast Florida region. This will be a very interactive workshop that you'll gain valuable insight and learn practical strategies to improve everyday communication in the workplace. I'm excited to see you, and that's one of the reasons why I'm sending you this video, because I know this will be something that will help you as a leader. This helps with today strengthening workplace morale, learning to master the art of active listening, and learning how to build strong relationships through clear and impactful communication. I get the honor and privilege of coming alongside my dear friend Jim Urban, who is a licensed therapist and executive coach, and Rebecca Schlafer, who is a high-level business coach and guide. We're going to provide you with the necessary tools that you need to excel in both your personal and your professional live. So don't miss out on this opportunity to come join us and up-level your communication skills and boost your confidence. Let's make this journey begin. And I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.